In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Freshsales API key. If you've been wondering how to locate this elusive key, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step so you'll have it ready in no time. The entire process is straightforward, and it's something you can accomplish in just a few minutes, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It might be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you're comfortable with. Once it's open, head over to the search bar and type in Freshsales. Hit search, and you should see a link that takes you directly to the Freshsales login page. Click on it and log into your account using your credentials. After you're logged into your Freshsales account, it's time to navigate to your profile picture or icon. Typically, you'll find it situated in the upper right corner of the interface. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, look for the option that says Profile Settings and select it. This is your gateway to where you need to be to access your API key. Once you're in the Profile Settings, your next target is the API Settings tab. It might be a couple of clicks away, or perhaps on an easy-to-spot menu, depending on how Freshsales has updated their layout. But don't worry, it's usually quite intuitive to find. After locating the API settings, go ahead and click it. Finally, you're in the right spot. This tab will display your API key in a field that'll likely be labeled Your API Key. It's as simple as that. If you need the key for something specific, like setting up integrations or any other applications, you can easily copy it to your clipboard from here. Just click and drag to select the key, then right-click to copy, or use the trusty keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. And there you have it. You've successfully located and copied your Freshsales API key. Remember to keep this key secure, as it's an important piece of information that allows for integration with other software and applications. It's advised not to share it unnecessarily and to always ensure it's kept in a safe digital space. So, that's the entire process from start to finish. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and made everything clear for you. If you liked this video or found it useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you have any further questions or need additional guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.